Life could be a dream. Life could be a dream.
How's it going, Doc?
Oh, Doc, I just finished my preliminary impressions for the full over full.
You look good.
Okay, so the next step...
Yeah, I'll be right back.
Okay. Alright, Miss Shea, so this will probably take about, 8 to 10 appointments, maybe 12. The school's like really slow, unfortunately. We're going to bring you back, we're going to take a few more impressions, we'll do it in wax, we'll try in the teeth, and then, maybe about like 2 to 3 months we'll finally have these delivered.
Excuse me, Doc? The dentures are ready.
What?
They're good to go. Ready for delivery?
Yeah,
they look good.
Thanks. Doc, I also kind of needed this to be my full over full competency.
No problem.
I forgot to ask.
Yeah, Dr. Toad? Well, how's it look, Doc? Is it looking good?
Looks good.
A+. Looks good.
All right, thanks.
Like that shade match, too.
Time. Alright, let me at least just figure out if all my OS competencies are done. I wonder if Darlene's in.
Come on, listen. I know you know this. What line is this?
The bottom one.
No. MG.
You go gingerbread.
Very
something.
good. Okay, you're getting there. And what
Have
line?
I passed yet?
No, not even close.
Oh, okay.
Now, how about this line here? What's this line?
The CEJ.
No. F, G, M.
Free gingerbread marching.
That's it.
Have I passed yet?
No,
Okay.
not even close. How about this? Here, F, G, G. What's that?
Free gingerbread graft.
No, groove. You were
Have
close.
I passed yet?
Close.
Okay.
How about this? AG. Attach.
Gingerbread.
Now you pass.
Okay, awesome.
Hey, Dr. Lando, would you mind? I have a question for you about implants. I think my patient needs. I have to order the parts for them.
What kind of parts do you need?
Like for the implant. Do you know what I mean?
Which implant are you talking about?
Like the kind that you put into the jaw, the metal kind.
Ah, that one. Why didn't you say so? Where is your flowchart?
Oh, right, the flow chart. I have it somewhere in my chart somewhere. But do you know the parts that I need? I think it's like a long implant. Does that help?
Well, do you know the size? Do you know the company?
I think it's one of the ones that we use at this school. It's one of those. It's all
Do
the
you have a
same
sticker?
stuff, right? It was pink or purple, maybe. Does that
show me.
matter?
I think so.
Time. Maybe I'll make an OS appointment for my patient.
I had no choice but to hear you.
So how's it going?
Okay,
Oh, wait. Damn it, this freaking patient is so annoying. She's calling me right now. She's so annoying.
Is that the one you were telling me about last week?
Oh
the one that
my
won't stop
God.
talking?
She
you
called me
hate?
at 2 a.m. Just for nothing. You know what?
That's annoying.
Should I just
You need to
answer
drop her.
her?
You need to drop her.
I'm going to transfer her to Junior. Just
Okay.
don't say anything. Okay, let me just get it.
Okay.
She's so freaking annoying. Hey. What's up? How you doing? No, it's totally fine. Yeah, you can definitely come in. I would love to see you. How are the kids doing?
Everybody get up.
My hair's so flat today. Perfect. Oh my god, my denture setup looks awesome. I spent so long doing this. McDermott is gonna love it.
Doctor, what do we have going on for here today?
Oh, so remember that patient I have?
Yes.
Well, I finally set his teeth. It took me so long. I spent all night doing it, and I hate setting teeth. But this looks awesome. I don't think I need any adjustments or
Alright,
anything.
doctor. Well, let's take a look at it. Now, oh, okay. Alright, I want everyone here to gather around. Everyone, please come and gather around. I want to show you how to make this adjustment. I want to show you how to make this adjustment.
I'm in the West, Dr. McDermott.
Okay. You know what? Gather around. Gather around.
I don't even go to this school.
Fine. All right, let's do this. 1/2 millimeter adjustment.
Wait, but I really need adjusted?
Yes. You know, honestly.
Oh God.
And doctor, can I just tell you, it looks like you're going to the discotheque.
Wait,
What? Why would you ever wear your hair like that? Do you think that this is professional? And those nails?
Do you like them?
No. You. And does your patient call you student doctor? Because I would not.
Oh, you okay?
Hey, Dr. Mark, can you help me out? I just need a swipe, just one.
Of course.
Thanks.
Okay.
Thanks, Dr. Martyr.
You're welcome.
Wait, Dr. Martyr, I need another one. It's this thing, it's just Axiom, you know?
Another one?
Yeah, just one more, I promise.
Okay, there's 6 for half a dozen, so take advantage of this.
Thanks, Dr. Martyr, you're the best. Wait, Dr. Martyr, they're asking for another one. I really need just one more. I promise this is the last one.
I'm getting weak here.
Thanks, Dr. Martyr, you're the best.
You're right.
It's done.
Are you sure?
I'm positive. Okay. Wait!
Come on. Hot, sicker than your average. Pop a twist cabbage off instinct. Niggas don't think shit stink. Pink gators, my Detroit players.
Azish, come here. I think I found the perfect board lesion.
Really?
Look at this. Perfect, right? Like right there. See? It's like almost, it's right there.
Really?
It's
Okay,
pretty.
let me zoom in.
No, watch. Now if you turn your head like a little bit like that way, look down at it. Now if I adjust the contrast, do you see it like right around like there kind of?
Hold on, let me check. There's magnifier here. I don't see it there. Diana, are you sure?
No, kind of look like this. Like just get down like a little bit
No,
further.
Diana, you stop. I don't see any kind of decalcification.
No, look.
Up the DEJ.
Here, bend down a little bit right here.
Have you been looking at a lot of radiographs lately?
Yeah, but look, if you just bend down a little bit, now squint a little bit, and if you just squint, and if I blow this up right here,
alright.
Wait, let me change the contrast a little bit first. Like that. Now do you see
I
it?
don't see anything there, Diana.
Oh shoot, I need another one. Dr. Martyr! Maybe I'll do a periocyst.
Oh my god, seriously?
Hey Melissa.
Hey Di, what's up?
So I just showed Nazish my class too, and she doesn't think it's there, even though I definitely think it's there. I see it there. Anyways, do you have any extra backups?
For class 2?
Yeah, for boards. I don't even have my own class 2 yet. I mean, it's like a week before the exam, and I have nothing. I'm so desperate. I have nothing. Not even I wish I had backups. You don't even have your primary? I don't have anything. No primary, no backups, nothing. I have no idea what I'm going to do. I'm like so desperate. Like, so desperate. Okay. I'm like freaking out, actually. Like, totally freaking out. Okay, well, if you hear anything and you get any extras, just let me know, okay? Yeah, totally. I'll text you. But, I mean, I don't know. It's like, I don't know what I'm going to do. Like, nothing. Maybe I'll try finding some for you. Yeah, definitely let me know if you hear anything, because, like, I'm, like, so desperate. Okay. Yeah, like, totally freaking out. Good luck. Thanks, you too. Backups. Of course I have backups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that should be enough for me.
Dr. Martyr, I swear, this is the last one.
I'm too sexy for my love, too sexy for my love, love's going to leave me.
Give me a
assignments to finish. I'm getting so stressed out. There's too much.
I know. I just finished my class 4 amalgam competency yesterday.
Class 4 amalgam?
You did do yours yet?
Are you kidding? Class 4 amalgam? What are you going to say to the guy if he wants a silver filling in the front of his mouth?
Tell me he's a bruxer. He needs it. Okay?
You know what I heard? There's a rubber dam competency. Like, do dentists even use rubber dams in real life?
There's a rubber dam competency?
Did you guys do the white sneaker competency yet? The white sneaker competency.
I don't think I would
The white
pass that
sneaker?
one.
Yeah, that one's really important.
I'm
They
not wearing
do not
white
let you
sneakers.
graduate without the white sneaker
No
competency.
way. Absolutely not.
Alright, Mr. Patel, we're gonna go ahead and do this operative.
Okay.
Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl.
Just a second.
Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl.
I see some water coming up the feet.
Drop it low, girl. 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 Drop it low, girl.
You okay?
I'm good.
Alright. Take your time. Don't rush.
It's all because of you. I'm feeling sad and blue.
Oh, just a second. Alright. No water? What the? Alexa, can you help me out?
Yeah, sure. Oh, it's not working?
Nah, no water. What else do you
How can anyone recognize you from the back?
Don't worry, we have no problem recognizing you from the back.
Ava, can you help me? I'm trying to festoon this and I really need some help.
Oh, Michelle, what did you do to your hair? You have such good texture. What kind of hair products are you using?
Well, thanks, but I mean, I really need help with this.
Wait, but what kind of stylist are you going to? I really like your highlights. It looks like you got them done at, like, you know, a high-end place. What, can I please get the name of your stylist? My stylist recently, she, like, bleached my hair, and it's getting all thin, and, you know...
Okay, I know, Ava, but, like, I need to festoon. Please help me.
And what kind of nail polish are you using?
Dr. Martyr, this time I'm really serious. Like, this is really, actually, promise, this is the last swipe.
Big Snoop Dogg. Can you be my doctor?
Look at the hallway.
I can't do this. I can't anymore.
It's really bad.
Citrus?
Maybe you should double spray.
Yeah, Dr. Toad? Is Dr. Toad around?